Hello, just wanted to show this yellow rose. It has so many flowers. It's the first time that it has done this. It has bloomed a lot at the same time. The other one, just one flower, but it looks pretty too. And our red masterpiece has so many holes in its leaves, but it's still surviving. And our hydrangea is getting bigger, so that's good. Pink roses, just a little bit. And just an update on the lamb's ear that I planted. So they are surviving, although this morning there was a hole. It was dug up. There was a hole dug up near it, but it's okay. I already fixed the hole for the soil back. Okay. Dahlia. Our other dahlia is blooming, so it's also the orange one. So I'm still waiting for our red dahlia to bloom, if it blooms. So these were part of the original orange dahlias that we had, I think 3 years ago. So at least this is blooming. And our other dahlias, the two, are still blooming. This one is the new one. It's supposedly uh, purple or lavender, but it's also good, the color. And this is the same orange one, but bigger. So waiting for other blooms. It has other buds. Okay, and our rose is so tall. Okay, and last Wednesday I went to Lowe's and looked at the clearance plants again. So I was able to buy this one. This is sedum, and I guess it's good for fall. Fall is coming. It's really cold right now, or cool now, especially in the mornings. It's 50s, low 50s in the morning. So this one is a sedum. It's from Monrovia. So let me get it. It's really toppling over. I guess it's overwatered, or it's under the shade. I don't know. But it's called, here we go, the Plum Dazzled Sun Sparkler Sedum from Monrovia. So its leaves are purple and beautiful red flowers, small flowers. That's why I couldn't resist getting it. It's on clearance, so it's about $7, and then I can divide it. Sedum are known to be to grow or easy to propagate. Just put a cutting in the soil and it will grow roots. So it's very cloudy today, and I have one more in front. It's a, what do you call that? It's a cornflower. So I just wanted to show my hen and chicks. My hen and chicks, they have so many chicks. So there, it's growing. And this geranium has still lots of buds. Okay, so let's look at my other clearance plant. And wait, before, just an update on the begonia, the pink begonia that I got from Walmart. So it had 3 corms, or what do you call that, tuber, and only one has sprouted so far. I don't know if the other 2 will still sprout. And then my rose cuttings. This is a peach rose cutting for the coral, and it's beginning to grow leaves there. And the other one, I don't know. Oh, it also has one there. It's not focusing. This one. Okay, and these are knockout roses. Knockout rose cuttings. So hopefully they will also grow roots. And my sunflowers, I don't know if they will still bloom before our first frost, but we'll see. And here's another look at the plum pudding sedum. Red plum pudding sedum. Okay. So here is my other clearance plant. It's a coneflower. So I've always wanted a red coneflower, so I couldn't also resist this one. It's the Artisan Collection Red Ombre Coneflower. So it has 4 plants in the pot, and the pot is nice. So you can just leave it here for now before first frost, and then I can plant them in the ground. It's a perennial. Look at that. So nice. I just need to deadhead and remove the broken stems here. So there's one broken, but it's okay. I think I'll leave that. The flower is still good, but there are dead branches here, so I just need to clean. Okay, it's so nice. And just to show again my begonias. Look at these leaves, very, very large. And this one fell off, but it's still good, so I'll just keep it here for now. And then when it dries up, I can just remove it again. And this one, there, the flower, they really start in the middle and under the leaves, so it's hard to see them. But getting it's getting cold, so I guess they're starting to feel it. See, but this one looks so good, lots of flowers. and the red one is just a bit there inside. It's the pink, the orange flowers. So during winter, I'll keep them in the basement and preserve the tubers. Okay. And also, before I forget, our geraniums blooming. Very nice. So I got this from Aldi. Was this from Aldi? I've forgotten. But it's on its third year now, I think. Also. And update on our front garden. There. Okay. Maybe I'll just film another one update of all the plants here in our garden. Okay, bye for now.